Hey y'all, welcome back to the WeddingWire channel. I'm TERAJ.
And I'm Liv. TERAJ, I hear that you are a cocktail expert.
Yeah, a little bit, and I'm super excited to share a spin on a winter classic. It's called the Peppermint White Russian Eggnog.
Yum. I feel like this winter cocktail will be perfect for all your upcoming parties. Think winter weddings, engagement parties, holiday parties, all of that. So let's get started.
All right, so I'm just gonna pull out the shaker really quickly. So can you do me the honors of getting a little ice?
Oh, yes.
Fill it up. Then next up, we're gonna take 3 ounces of the eggnog.
Eggnog is such a holiday staple.
All right, so we're gonna pour 3 ounces into the shaker. Eyeball it here. It's bartending skills.
Oh.
And next up, we're gonna add a little Kahlua to add a little coffee complexity to it. So we're gonna pour about 1 ounces here, and the trick is to count to 6 really quickly.
You are an expert bartender.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 ounce. Set that back over there.
Love it. Oh, it smells like coffee.
And then we're gonna add the peppermint vodka.
Which is the most important ingredient in this cocktail.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna add 1 ounce again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go.
Make it nice and strong.
So now that we have all the ingredients in the shaker, we're just gonna mix it up. A little trick, pop the top so it doesn't have any pressure when you put it on.
You're full of these tricks.
Oh yeah. And if you wanna do the honors, you
I'm
shake.
doing the honors of shaking it. Okay, everybody watch out. You're in the splash zone. Oh, see, I'm getting my workout in.
There you go, yeah. All right, that should be good. Should be good. All right, so we're just gonna take one of these glasses, but I see a little design on here. What are these?
So TERAJ, you might be the cocktail expert, but I'm the shopping expert.
Oh God.
These glasses are from the WeddingWire shop, and they have tons of customizable designs, making them great for favors for your winter weddings, engagement parties, or for your newly engaged friends.
Love it. Now it's time to spice up these glasses. I'm gonna pull out 2 plates here. One plate's gonna be for the simple syrup and the other's gonna be for cinnamon.
I'll take the simple syrup.
So now we're gonna add some cinnamon sugar to the plate. It makes your rim a little sweeter. You could be a little generous there.
But I'm already sweet enough.
So we're gonna take one of these whiskey glasses, dip it in the simple syrup, and then you just dip it in the cinnamon sugar like that. Very easy, perfect.
Awesome.
Can you get the smell of that?
This would make a great Instagrammable cocktail at your wedding. It's all about the gram, but I think we can add one more thing.
I love your thinking. We could add these chocolate wafers over here.
Yum. So TERAJ, this drink is perfect, but there's one issue. You only made 1 drink. Where's mine?
Well, I'm gonna use a little festive magic to remedy this situation here.
Now that's better.
Oh yeah.
Should we taste them?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Cheers. Oh, holiday in a cup. You can also go to the WeddingWire shop and find all of your party essentials like these napkins and straws. All of it is customizable so you can really personalize your party.
Love that.
And before you party, don't forget to check out the WeddingWire channel for more cocktail videos with me and TERAJ, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.